The ultimate www shop Robux tutorial from zero to pro in 1 minute. If you're trying to get Robux without spending money, most people get this wrong by falling for scam generators. The surprising truth about www shop is that it offers structured reward systems where you can earn Robux through safe, guided tasks like surveys, app downloads, and verified promotions. First, sign up safely. You won't believe how easy it is. Just use your Roblox username and a valid email. Avoid giving passwords or sensitive info. Legitimate sites never ask for that. Next, complete tasks carefully. Most people get this wrong by rushing through steps. Each completed survey, video watch, or app install earns points that convert into Robux. Following the instructions precisely ensures your points are credited. Track bonuses and rewards. The surprising truth is that daily check-ins or promotional events can significantly boost your points, sometimes doubling your Robux earnings. Finally, redeem your Robux. You won't believe how smoothly verified tasks convert into Robux once your points reach the minimum threshold. Always confirm your Roblox username is correct to avoid errors. In conclusion, www shop can take you from zero to pro in earning Robux legally and safely. By signing up correctly, completing tasks carefully, monitoring bonuses and redeeming points properly, you maximize your rewards and enjoy a secure experience. Consistency is the secret to success.